Welcome to Stellar Hosting. How to add SRV records for applications like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Discord in cPanel. Some applications like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Discord rely on SRV records to know how and where to connect services like voice, video, and messaging. What are SRV records? SRV service records are special DNS records used by applications to find the right server to connect to. They tell apps where the service is located, which port to use, what protocol to follow, which server has priority. SRV records is like a digital GPS that guides app to the correct destination on your domain. In this video, I'll show you how to add SRV records in cPanel. First, log into your cPanel account. Once inside cPanel, scroll down to the domain section and click on Zone Editor. Find the domain you want to work with and click Manage. This will open your domain's DNS records. Next, click on Add Record and select SRV. Now let's break down the SRV record field so you know exactly what to enter. A form will open where you will enter name, TTL, priority, weight, port, and target. Here's what each field means. Name is the service and the protocol. For priority, lower value equals higher priority. Weight is used when multiple records exist. It controls traffic distribution when multiple SRV records have the same priority. Ports is the port number the app uses. It's usually provided in the application's DNS setup guide. Target, this is where the service is hosted. Enter the server host name provided by the application. Now let's take a look at real examples for Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Discord. Microsoft Teams require SRV records for features like VoIP calls, SIP, and communication routing. You must add two separate SRV records. Zoom uses SRV records for SIP and voice calling integration. Fill in the records if Zoom gives you custom SRV records. Use the exact value provided. Discord SRV records are commonly used for game servers, voice servers, bot hosting, Minecraft servers. Once you filled all the records, click Save Record and your SRV record is now live. Remember, you must also create an A record pointing to your server IP. DNS changes take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours to fully propagate. If the service doesn't connect immediately, just give it some time. And that's it. We've successfully added SRV records in cPanel for your applications. Always follow the official DNS instructions from Microsoft, Zoom, or Discord, and SRV records must be entered exactly as provided. A single typo can prevent the service from working. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need stellar hosting services. Also, subscribe for more hosting tutorials with Stellar Hosting. See you in the next video.